Hello and welcome to the next tutorial. So within this tutorial, I'm going to show and explain to you on how to come up with a Microsoft Excel template based on the existing worksheet, assuming that we have completed all of the Microsoft Excel documents, such as this one, the one that I'm showing you right now. Okay, this is Store Mobile Shop January to June 2021 sales analysis, and then we are going to transform this completed worksheet documents into a Microsoft Excel template. So how to do that? Before that, I'm going to explain to you what is a Microsoft Excel template. Microsoft Excel template is actually a predefined spreadsheet that you can use to create new Excel documents with the same formatting and predefined formula. What does it mean there is that all of these existing formulas will stay, but those inconsistent data will be changed, so you don't have to actually start from the scratch. Okay, so assuming that we are going to use this one, Store Mobile Shop January to June 2021 sales analysis, this is a completed worksheet table and as well as the chart. Okay, so let's say I'm going to use this same worksheet and change it into something new. Let's say I'm going to make a new report from July to December 2021. Since this one is January to June 2021, then let's say I'm going to come up with a new report reporting July to December 2021 sales analysis. So the first thing that I'm going to do is to clear up all of this existing inconsistent data. So keep in mind that within this Microsoft Excel document, this specific Microsoft Excel that I'm showing you, there are actually two kind of data available here. The first one is the inconsistent data, and the second one is the consistent data. The consistent data is something that will not be changed. For example, like this part, okay, total sales part, and then this area, this highest sale, lowest sales, and average sales, as well as the design of this table. We might not going to change this part, but what we are going to change is the inconsistent part. The inconsistent part will be this part, all of these values over here, this month's, and probably this one, since this is going to be changed into July to December. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is to delete all of this inconsistent data existing within this table. So what I'm doing now is actually I'm highlighting from cell C5 until cell H11, and then I'm going to press delete. Okay, as you can see that all of this value over here from January to June has been cleared up, which is why all the total cells, the vertical total cells and the horizontal total cells, has changed into zeros. Okay, so what about this part, this highest, lowest, and average cells? All of these highest, lowest, and average sales report has changed into zeros also, because these predefined formulas over here is basically rely on the data that we get from this part. Okay, then let's have a look at the chart worksheet. Okay, as you can see, there's no chart over here, only this frame of chart with the X and Y axis without any graphical elements available here, because there's no data has been entered here. So this is the start of how we are going to create a new Microsoft Excel template. Alright, so let's say I'm going to change this months. Okay, First, I'm going to change this month into something which is much more general. Let's say someone else want to use this exact replication of this Microsoft Excel document. Then what we need to do is to change all of these headings here, the months heading, into something which is much more understandable. For example, like I'm going to type this one as month 1, okay, and then month 2, this one will be month 3, this one will be month 4, and this one will be month 5, and this one will be month 6. Okay, and then I'm going to change this product listing here into something else. For example, like I'm going to use product 1, okay, and I'm going to delete the rest of these products here. Okay, right. So I have changed this product into product 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, and now this one will be changed into company's name. Okay, and then this is month X to month X 2021 sales analysis. Alright, so I'm going to save this Microsoft Excel document and change it into Microsoft Excel template, so that I can use this same exact worksheet documents into something else. Alright, so I'm going to click file first, and then click save as. Okay, I'm going to save this Microsoft Excel template as my template, my new template. Alright, so save as type, this one is the important part. Save as type, change from Excel workbook into Excel template. Okay, Excel template, and then just simply click save. So now this worksheet document has changed into a Microsoft Excel template. Right, so let's see how it works. Alright, so right now I'm going to open a new Microsoft Excel document. Okay, so I'm going to click this new button here, and then as you can see that we can see there's a few selection. There are few selection of Microsoft Excel template available here. Okay, and then when you click on the personal tab here, you can see that there are few templates available. These are actually all of the template that I have created previously, and the one that I have that I saved just now is this one, my new template. So let's see how this template looks like. Okay, so this is the template, the one that I just saved just now. Okay, so let's say I'm going to use this template to create a new sales analysis report. Okay, so assuming that we have come up with the January to June sales analysis, now I'm going to create a new sales analysis ranging from July to December. Alright, so I'm going to change the title names here. Okay, the first one here is Stores Mobile Shop, and then this one will be July to December 2021 sales analysis. Okay, so July to December 2021 sales analysis instead of January to June 2021 sales analysis. Okay, so this one I'm going to change it from July August, September, October, November, and December. Okay, so we have a listing of products over here. Okay, you can use the, let's say I'm going to use the previous one, then I have to key in the same product as the previous one, and assuming that I'm going to change these products over here, then I will just have to type in the new product. For example, like this one will be Bluetooth speaker, this one will be Bluetooth headset, this one will be screen protectors, and this one will be chargers, and this one will be wireless mouse, this one will be wireless keyboard, and this one will be wireless gamepad. Okay, so basically we are changing the product listing, the months, and then perhaps the values inside this sales report. But those consistent data that stays is actually this total sales. Okay, this total sales, this formatting of the tables here. Okay, including all of these font styles, okay, the size of the fonts, and then as well as this part. Okay, all of this formula has been predefined, so you don't have to like create a new formula from a scratch. You just simply key in all of the values over here. For example, like I'm going to key in random numbers here. Okay, let's say and then this one is 3000, this one is 2400. This might take a while, so 600. Okay, so as you can see, I have completed keying in all of the figures over here from July to December, and as you can see that all of the total sales works like a charm here. Okay, calculating all of the keyed in values, okay, from each month over here, as well as the highest, lowest, and average sales. Okay, this part. Alright, so right now let's have a look at the chart. Okay, so when we go into the chart area over here, okay, on this specific worksheet tab, as you can see that this chart represents the new data that we just keyed in. Okay, I'm sorry, there's a glitch. Okay, so now you can see that this is the somehow the title chart has not been changed yet. Okay, because this is typed in manually previously. If you can remember, this chart is typed in manually, so you need to change this chart title manually. So I'm going to like just Tor Mobile Shop, and then this one is actually Tor Mobile Shop. The chart area here is July to December 2021 sales analysis. Okay, so as you can see, the product listing over here, we have Bluetooth speaker, we have Bluetooth headset, screen protectors, chargers, wireless mouse, wireless keyboard, and wireless gamepad. And then we have these legends over here: July, August, September, October, November, December. And then we have this y-axis over here representing the amount of profit or sales that we make, okay, from 0 to 4,000 maximum. Okay, so this is basically the graphical representation of what we have keyed in within this table. So basically we are using the same Microsoft Excel worksheet that we change into a template that that contain an existing predefined formatting and formulas. Okay, so basically you don't have to start your works from a scratch. So I think that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.